Did you like them? Charlie? Charlie Sean? Charlie Şkom? Charlie Chaplin? He? Meltem ablan geldi. Evet, Meltem Hanım, Lady Meltem, did you like our perfumes? Could you tell me again about you, please?
Hi, my name is Meltem. I'm offering wellness activities in different cities, including mental health, emotional health, and spiritual awareness. And we are gathering with different purposes to feel good and to find our inner purpose, to find our inner peace, and it really helps us to feel these peaceful moments in the present moment and to enjoy life more and more and to see the beauty in the simple moments.
Have you been in Dubai? I think you were working there.
Yeah.
What was your work?
I was there I worked there for 1 year and I was organizing different wellness events, including different spiritual countries, systems, etc. And we was creating different creative spaces for the different people where they can find their they can go to their inner journey, etc.
But you are Turkish girl
Yeah, I'm Turkish.
and you speak very well French.
Oui, je parle en français.
C'est génial ça. Où vous avez appris ça? À Istanbul?
J'ai appris au lycée de Galatasaray.
Oh là là.
Au début, par exemple, parler en anglais était très difficile pour moi. Vous savez que les gens français détestent parler en anglais.
Oui,
Notre
tout à fait.
notre accent aussi n'est pas très bien en anglais parce que parfois on utilise les mots français et on pense que c'est en anglais maintenant.
Oui.
À Dubaï, il avait un grand event. J'ai dit quelqu'un anglais, félicitations.
Oh,
Mais c'était pas correct.
oui, c'est félicitations.
Félicitations, j'ai dit félicitations.
Oui.
I forgot to say congratulations. I said felicitation.
Oui, c'est normal ça.
Il n'a pas compris. Il m'a regardé. Qu'est-ce que tu as dit? Qu'est-ce que tu as dit? Nous n'avons pas compris ce qu'elle a dit. Et il y avait une fille qui parle en français
Oui.
dans le groupe. Et il m'a dit non, ce n'est pas un mot anglais, c'est un mot français. Et j'ai fait oh my god, j'ai oublié toujours le mot anglais. Oui.
Oui. But you are Turkish girl.
Oui.
You're,
Je suis
could you tell us that what about your brand? Now you are going to make some new workshops in Turkey, in Istanbul, in Black Sea of Turkey, and what are you going to do? Because you have some nice plans that I hear,
Yeah.
and then now you are going to do this. Could you
Yes.
tell us soon?
Yes, sure. Actually, the city where I live, there are
I
A
like
lot
your
of-
pedicure also. Yes, like a manicure. Yes,
My friend.
manicure. Why? Manicure. Yes. Yeah. Tell me about your project, please.
Yeah, sure. The city I live at the Black Sea side, there are a lot of beautiful lands, natures, and water and rivers. A lot of things. Less
Yes.
radiation, Wi-Fi, less toxic social life things, and there are pure nature, and there are a lot of oxygen there. And I would like to start with the breath events, so people who can, the people who are not who don't feel happy inside. And okay, I met some people, they are very successful, and they
Yes.
told me I feel a void inside, and I'm successful, I'm earning money, but I don't know.
Unhappy.
Yeah, I don't know what should I do with this void. I don't feel happy. I don't enjoy the little moments. And I believe that a lot of people need to find this inner peace, because we can observe easily that some people are very happy with small things. They can feel these grateful moments with their health. But in the other hand, there are some people that have a lot of things, but they are stressful and they are also toxic with their family and their friends. I would love to spread this awareness, the state of being healthy in mental, emotional
Spiritual.
part, yes, spiritual parts. Yeah, I would love to beautify the people's life.
We say in Turkish, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Good luck to
mashallah.
you. Good
Thank
luck to
you
you.
so
You are
much.
welcome. Bye bye.